Welcome to Learners Tube. So in this class, I'm going to discuss about the basics of MS Excel. So right now, I'm going to create a new table that is which contains the fields just like as serial number, name, mathematics, physics, chemistry, total, average, and then maximize, minimize, and then count. So this is the very basics how to find the student mark list, right? So this is the format to creating a table. So here I'm going to enter in the fields. So after creating the fields, just you have to fill the columns. You have to fill the columns as you wish. So right now I'm going to fill the serial number. Those are 1, 2, 3. I mean 101, 102 like that. After that, the names which are given just like as triple A, triple B, triple C, then and so on like that. So here I'm going to enter the marks for mathematics, just like as something 88, 65, 69, 63, 65 again. So here this is the process of entering the values for calculating the total, average, maximum, minimum, and then count. So after that means first of all you have to create the rows. After filling it, that means so here just have a look. So here this is the process of adjusting the column size. So right now I'm going to enter or calculate the total here. So first of all, just I'm going to open the calculator and I'm going to use the calculations of this value, that is 88 plus 75 plus 75 again. So here again we're having the value 75, that means so here we got the value is 238. So 238. So here how to calculate these things? First of all you have to select these three values, right? So after that simply go to home menu. So simply here you have to click on the option autosum. If you click on the autosum, the total will be displayed on the system. So after that, here we're having a small dot, just click on it and drag like this. The remaining the remaining sum will be calculated automatically. So this is the process of calculating the total. After that, if you want to get the average, select again and then just have a look here. I'm going to make it very bigger for easy understanding purpose. Just have a look one more time. Select it. Simply go to home menu. Click on autosum option. So if you click on the autosum option, then you got the total, and then click on the dot and then drag like this. Okay, right. So right now, so select these three values, then go to home menu, then autosum drop down list button, then select the option average. So right now for average we're having 79.3333 like that. So if you want to display two values, that is simply go to number format. So this option is called as number format option and select the option number. If you click like this, the values will be displayed. Okay, so for each and every value we're having for average after decimal we got only two values, right? So for displaying the maximum, again select it, go to home menu and then drag like this. Go to home menu, select the option autosum and click on max option. Okay, right. So after that, for displaying the minimum, okay, this is the process of calculating for each and every maximum value. Okay, so for minimum, select these three values again, then go to home menu. From this home menu, autosum option, right? So go to home menu, autosum drop down list button and select the option min. So min is the function which is called as to find out the minimum value. Okay, right. So the minimum value, then after simply select these three values for counting the values. Okay, select three values. I mean, of course, whatever how many marks you have, just select these things and then go to autosum, select the option number or count number, whatever it is. Then you got the count number. So this is the process of how to calculate total, average, maximum, minimum, count. Okay, so right now I'm going to discuss some of these things in Notepad. So first of all, for some how you can do these things means simply go to home menu. Simply go to home menu. Then after select the option, click on autosum button. Click on autosum button. For average, simply go to home menu, right? So go to home menu, then click on autosum drop down list button. Click on autosum drop down list button and select the option average. Okay. So select the option average or click on average button or click on average option also. So for maximum, Go to home menu for maximum. If you want to find out the how to how to find the biggest value among these values, means simply go to home menu, select, click on autosum drop down list button, then so click on max option. Simply click on max option. So click on max option. This is the process of finding the maximum value. For minimum, simply again you have to go to home menu. Again go to home menu. Then simply click on autosum. Click on autosum drop down list button. Autosum drop down list button, and then select the option. That means click on min option. Click on min option for count. So right now for count, again go to home menu. Again go to home menu. Go to home menu. Then click on autosum. Click on autosum drop down list button. Click on autosum drop down list button, and then simply click on count numbers option. So click on count numbers option. Count numbers option. Okay. So this is the process of finding values. So right now just have a look here. So what is the home menu here? So simply this home menu. Home menu means, so this is the home menu, right? And then what is autosum means? So this is the autosum in MS Excel. Okay, right. So after that, what does it mean, the drop down list button? That means autosum drop down list button, or that means home menu autosum drop down list button. So the autosum drop down list button means simply this is the home menu, then this is the autosum. So here we're having a lower triangular button that is called as drop down list button. So this is the average option, sum option, max option, min option, count numbers, and so on like that. So